Yeah, I'm out here in July and it's sweltering, and my Goodman, which I've nicknamed Badman, has failed again. It's brand new. It's probably less than 3 years old, but it stopped pumping heat. Basically, it starts for like 2 or 3 seconds. The fan spins and then it shuts off.
Okay,
and you get an error code.
Maybe try to start it.
So we're gonna try to start it here and show you what happens.
Come on, stop. This time lasts longer then. Because I was shut off for like how many days? When it's going to stop?
Well, and so it's gonna make a liar out of us, but
Yeah.
this is a problem with the capacitor, is what it is.
May
It
last
started and
for
it kept running, but
maybe last for 10 minutes it will be
Yeah.
dead. Yeah. So we're gonna fix it. Okay.
normally it just starts up and then shuts right off.
We have this all for 2 days.
Yeah, we've had it
3 days.
disengaged for about 3 days
Yeah.
of power, so probably the capacitor drained out and it's replenished and it's acting normal, but as it gets hotter and used more often, it gets worse. So I've removed the power from the quick disconnect, and you should shut off all power if you can, thermostat, etc. To change the capacitor. Basically that's pretty much it, and then take this panel off right here, and that's a beast in of itself. It slides out and down.
Okay, so when this thing was broken, we opened this and tried
The
to check out
code
the
in here
code.
was 06.
It's 06.
And you turn around turn over your thing here,
Find the 06.
and the 06 says open start circuit.
Yep.
And according to the internet, you swap this cap out and then your life is grand.
Yeah, so we're going to switch it. We have that off. This is the old one. Yeah, we took a photo before we took everything off. The other one looks smaller, but it's supposed to be the same.
And we gotta mount it. Mount it right there.
This is a new compressor we got from Amazon for $13. It's a little bit smaller for the outside of the case, but we can just figure it out, remount it just fine. Fixing our AC. Our dog is here. Yeah? It's so hot in the house this couple of days, huh? Yeah. It's gonna get fixed.
So I'm still sweltering. The Badman is capacitor fixed. Now I've just obviously it was smaller. I think they all get smaller now, but they had another screw hole in there, so I just tightened it up a little bit and put a zip strip in there to keep it steady.
Okay, so we're going to turn
We're
that
gonna
back on.
re-engage the power once again. Go ahead, hit it.
Okay,
Turn it on.
sure.
It doesn't blow up.
Yeah.
Boom.
How can? A second. How it could?
It's gonna blow.
I don't think so.
She's gonna blow.
Okay, see if that actually works. Okay, start right away. Actually, start right away even faster than the old one. That's a really. Yeah. AC's back.
Now
Yeah.
we need to screw the top in.
Yep.
You have all the screws?
Yeah, it's on the thing. So instead, hire some people come over, fix that for $300, get ripped off. You can do this yourself. Always try this first. Then maybe if you can't solve the problem,
Well,
call
if you're not
technician.
technical, feel free to engage your wallet and pay somebody to professionally do it. It's okay.
Yeah.